Right now, a lot of people are talking about KDP keyword research, finding profitable niches, using tools, and publishing books. And yes, that can work. But here's what most people are missing. The real money is not just in finding keywords. It's in how you monetize the attention around those keywords. Because if you only publish a book, you're relying on one platform. But if you connect that idea to a simple funnel, you can turn one topic into multiple income streams. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video, how to take one idea and turn it into something much bigger by connecting it to a simple system. And if you want a few examples and simple frameworks to follow along, while you watch this, I've added free resources in the description below that you can use as a starting point. Most beginners follow the same path. They find a keyword, they create a book, they upload it, and then they hope it sells. Sometimes it works, but most of the time it doesn't scale, because the whole strategy depends on one thing: Amazon traffic. No list, no system, no control. And that's where the real limitation is. You're building on someone else's platform without capturing anything for yourself. So even if you get results, you can't really multiply them. Think about it like this. Imagine you discover a profitable keyword. You create a book, you publish it, you get some sales, that's good. But now imagine something else. Instead of just publishing the book, you also create a simple guide around that topic. Something people can download, something that explains the process step by step. Now you're not just selling a product, you're building an entry point. And that's where things start to change. So here is the shift. Don't think keyword to book to sales. Think keyword to attention to funnel to expansion. This is where ebooks become powerful, not just as products, but as tools inside a system. Because one simple ebook can do multiple things at once. For example, you can use an ebook as a lead magnet, a simple free guide like KDP Keyword Blueprint. Now, instead of just hoping for sales, you start collecting emails. That means you now own the audience. You can also use an ebook as a companion to your videos. Instead of explaining everything once, you give people a downloadable version. Step-by-step screenshots, keyword lists. Now your content becomes more valuable. You can also use your ebook as a bonus. Someone signs up for a tool like Bookbeam through your link, and they get your ebook for free. That increases conversions. And finally, you can use ebooks as entry products. A small paid product that leads into something bigger. Now you're not just making one sale, you're building a path. So let's simplify the full system. Step 1, find a niche using keyword research. Step 2, create a simple ebook around that topic. Use tools to speed up the process. Focus on solving one clear problem. Step 3, turn that ebook into a funnel. Free version for lead generation. Bridge page with offers, simple email follow-up. Step 4, connect everything to content. Short videos, simple explanations, faceless content. Now your system looks like this. Keyword to content, to ebook to funnel, to monetization. That's the real model. Once this works, you don't need to start over. You repeat the process. New keyword, new topic, same structure. And each time you expand your system, more entry points, more content, more products. This is how small ideas turn into scalable systems. Now you might be thinking, I don't know all these tools. I don't know how to build funnels. That's fine. You don't need everything at once. You just need the structure. Start simple. One topic, one ebook, one connection to content. That's enough to begin. If you want to see how this actually works, step by step, check the free resources in the description. I've included examples and simple frameworks that show you how to connect all these pieces. And if you want a more structured path with templates, systems, and guidance, that's exactly what I've built inside the school community. It's designed to help you move from random ideas to a connected system without getting lost. But remember this, the keyword is just the starting point. The real opportunity is in what you build around it.